How to leverage AI to boost your income. Realistic strategies. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of AI, and how you can actually use it to make more money. Forget the hype and the get-rich-quick schemes. We're talking about real, actionable strategies that can help you level up your income in the age of artificial intelligence. Now I know what you're thinking. AI? Isn't that just for tech geniuses and billionaires? Nope, not anymore. AI is rapidly changing the game across every single industry. And whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or just looking for new opportunities, understanding how to leverage AI can be your secret weapon to financial success. Chapter 1. Invest in the future AI companies. The first strategy to boosting your income with AI is, well, investing in it. Think of it like the early days of the internet. Those who recognized the potential of companies like Amazon or Google early on and invested wisely were rewarded handsomely. We're seeing a similar situation now with AI. But remember, investing in individual companies, especially in a cutting-edge field like AI, always carries risk. That's why diversification is key. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, spread your investments across a range of promising AI companies in different sectors. Think healthcare, finance, automation. The possibilities are endless. Chapter 2. Build your own AI empire. Now, if you're more of a hands-on person, why not create your own AI-powered product or service? The world of artificial intelligence is vast and full of opportunities. With the right tools and knowledge, you can build something truly remarkable. Imagine creating a product that not only solves a problem, but does so in a way that is more efficient and effective than anything currently available. This is the power of AI. The key here is identifying a problem that AI can solve more efficiently or effectively than traditional methods. Start by looking at the challenges in your industry or community. What are the pain points? What tasks are time-consuming or prone to error? Once you have identified a problem, think about how AI can be applied to solve it. This could be through automation, data analysis, or even machine learning. Let's say you're passionate about education. The traditional education system has many challenges, from large class sizes to a one-size-fits-all approach to teaching. AI can revolutionize education by providing personalized learning experiences. Imagine an AI-powered tutor that adapts to each student's learning style and pace, providing customized lessons and feedback. This could help students learn more effectively and at their own pace. You could develop an AI-powered personalized learning platform that adapts to each student's individual needs and learning style. This platform could use data from students' interactions to continuously improve and tailor the learning experience. It could provide real-time feedback, identify areas where students are struggling, and offer additional resources to help them succeed. The possibilities are endless. Or maybe you're a financial whiz. Create an AI-driven financial planning tool that helps people manage their investments, budget more effectively, and plan for retirement. Financial planning can be complex and time-consuming, but AI can simplify the process. An AI-driven tool could analyze a person's financial situation, provide personalized advice, and even automate certain tasks like rebalancing a portfolio or making investment decisions. This could help people achieve their financial goals more easily and with less stress. The beauty of AI is that it can automate complex tasks, analyze massive amounts of data, and personalize experiences like never before, opening up a world of possibilities for innovative products and services. Whether you're looking to improve efficiency, enhance customer experiences, or create entirely new solutions, AI offers the tools and capabilities to make it happen. The key is to start with a clear vision of what you want to achieve, and then leverage the power of AI to bring that vision to life. Building your own AI empire is not just about having the technical skills, it's also about having the right mindset. Be curious, be innovative, and be willing to take risks. The most successful AI entrepreneurs are those who are not afraid to think outside the box and challenge the status quo. They see opportunities where others see obstacles and are constantly looking for ways to push the boundaries of what is possible. Networking and continuous learning are also crucial. Attend AI conferences, join online communities, and connect with other AI enthusiasts and professionals. This will not only help you stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies, but also provide valuable insights and inspiration. Collaborating with others can lead to new ideas and opportunities that you might not have discovered on your own. Education is a lifelong journey, especially in a field as dynamic as AI. Take advantage of online courses, workshops, and other learning resources to continuously improve your skills and knowledge. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to tackle new challenges and seize new opportunities. Remember, the AI landscape is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve requires a commitment to continuous learning and growth. Finally, don't be afraid to start small. You don't need to create the next big thing right out of the gate. Start with a small project or prototype, test it, and iterate based on feedback. This will help you learn and improve without taking on too much risk. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can take on bigger and more ambitious projects. The important thing is to get started and keep moving forward. Building your own AI empire is a journey filled with challenges and rewards. With the right mindset, skills, and determination, you can create something truly impactful. So take that first step, embrace the possibilities, and start building your AI empire today. Chapter 3. Sharpen your skills with AI tools. But what if you're not ready to build an entire business from scratch? Many people feel overwhelmed by the idea of starting something new, especially when it involves technology. The good news is, you don't have to dive into the deep end right away. You can start small and gradually build your confidence and skills. No problem. You can still leverage AI to enhance your existing skills and increase your earning potential. Whether you're a writer, designer, marketer, or in any other profession, AI tools can be integrated into your workflow to make your tasks easier and more efficient. Imagine being able to complete your work in half the time, or even less, while maintaining high quality. There are tons of incredible AI tools out there that can help you work smarter, not harder. These tools are designed to handle repetitive tasks, analyze data, and even provide creative input, allowing you to focus on what you do best. From automating mundane tasks to offering insights that you might not have considered, AI can be a game changer in your professional life. ChatGPT, for instance, can be your secret weapon for writing high-quality content, crafting compelling marketing copy, or even generating creative ideas. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can help you brainstorm, draft, and edit your work. This tool can save you hours of time and help you produce better content than ever before. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media updates, or even books, ChatGPT can be an invaluable resource. Midjourney can create stunning visuals and artwork, making it a perfect tool for designers and artists. With its advanced algorithms, it can generate images that are both beautiful and unique. Whether you're working on a logo, a website, or a piece of digital art, Midjourney can help you bring your vision to life. Plus, it can provide inspiration and new ideas when you're feeling stuck. While Google Bard can help you research, translate languages, and write different types of creative content. This tool is especially useful for writers and researchers who need to gather information quickly and accurately. It can also assist with language translation, making it easier to communicate with a global audience. Whether you're writing an academic paper, a novel, or a business report, Google Bard can streamline the process and improve the quality of your work. The best part? Many of these tools offer free versions or trials so you can test them out and see which ones fit your needs best. This means you can experiment with different tools without any financial commitment, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your workflow. Once you find the right tools, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. So don't hesitate to explore the world of AI and discover how it can enhance your skills and boost your productivity. Additionally, there are numerous online courses and tutorials available that can help you get the most out of these AI tools. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube offer a wealth of resources that can guide you through the learning process. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, there's always something new to learn. These courses can provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to use AI tools effectively and efficiently. Don't forget the power of community and collaboration. Joining online forums, attending conferences, and networking with other professionals can provide valuable insights and support. By sharing your experiences and learning from others, you can stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in AI. Collaboration can also lead to new opportunities and partnerships that can further enhance your career. Finally, set clear goals and track your progress. Using AI tools can be a transformative experience, but it's important to stay focused and measure your success. Set specific, achievable goals for how you want to use AI in your work, and regularly review your progress. Celebrate your successes and learn from any challenges you encounter. By staying committed and proactive, you can continuously improve your skills and achieve your professional goals. Embracing AI tools can open up a world of possibilities. It can boost your confidence, enhance your skills, and help you achieve your professional aspirations. So, take the plunge, explore the tools available, and start sharpening your skills with AI today. The future is bright, and with AI by your side, the possibilities are endless. Chapter 4. Become the AI Guru. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into various industries, businesses are actively seeking experts to guide them through this new landscape. The rapid advancements in AI technology have created a significant demand for professionals who can navigate the complexities of AI implementation. From healthcare to finance and from retail to manufacturing, AI is transforming the way businesses operate, making processes more efficient and enabling data-driven decision-making. This presents a golden opportunity for those who are well-versed in AI to step up and become leaders in this field. This is where you come in. By positioning yourself as an AI expert, you can become an invaluable asset to organizations looking to harness the power of AI. Your role will be crucial in helping businesses understand the potential of AI, identify areas where AI can be applied, and develop strategies for successful AI integration. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting your journey in AI, there is a place for you in this rapidly evolving landscape. Position yourself as an AI consultant, offering your knowledge and expertise to businesses eager to implement AI solutions. As an AI consultant, you will be responsible for assessing the needs of your clients, recommending appropriate AI technologies, and guiding them through the implementation process. This may involve conducting workshops, providing training sessions, and offering ongoing support to ensure that the AI solutions are effectively integrated and utilized. Your ability to communicate complex AI concepts in a clear and understandable manner will be key to your success in this role. You can provide strategic advice on how to leverage AI to streamline operations, automate tasks, improve customer experiences, and ultimately, boost their bottom line. For example, AI can be used to automate routine tasks, freeing up employees to focus on more strategic activities. It can also be used to analyze large volumes of data, providing insights that can help businesses make more informed decisions. Additionally, AI-powered customer service solutions can enhance the customer experience by providing faster and more accurate responses to inquiries, and ultimately, boost their bottom line. By helping businesses implement AI solutions, you can play a key role in driving their growth and success. Your expertise will enable them to stay competitive in an increasingly AI-driven world, and your strategic insights will help them achieve their business objectives. As businesses see the positive impact of AI on their operations and bottom line, your reputation as an AI expert will grow, leading to more opportunities and greater demand for your services. And hey, if you're passionate about sharing your knowledge, why not teach others how to use these powerful AI tools? Create online courses, workshops, or even one-on-one coaching sessions to empower others to harness the power of AI. By sharing your expertise, you can help build a community of AI practitioners who are equipped with the skills and knowledge needed to drive innovation and transformation in their respective fields. Teaching can also be a rewarding way to stay engaged with the latest developments in AI and to continuously expand your own understanding of the technology. Or even one-on-one coaching sessions to empower others to harness the power of AI. Whether you choose to teach in a formal classroom setting, through online platforms, or in personalized coaching sessions, your efforts will contribute to the growth of the AI community. By helping others develop their AI skills, you are not only advancing their careers but also contributing to the overall advancement of the field. The more people who are knowledgeable about AI, the more innovative and impactful the technology will become. Remember, as the demand for AI skills continues to skyrocket, your expertise will become increasingly valuable. The AI revolution is just beginning, and those who position themselves as leaders in this field will be well positioned to reap the rewards. Whether you choose to work as a consultant, educator, or in another capacity, your knowledge and skills will be in high demand. So, take the leap, embrace the opportunities that AI presents, and become the AI guru that businesses and individuals alike are looking for. Chapter 5. The AI Reality Check. Now, before you go out and quit your job to become an AI millionaire overnight, let's talk about some important considerations. First and foremost, AI is not a magic bullet. It requires effort, dedication, and continuous learning to truly leverage its potential. The AI landscape is constantly evolving with new advancements and technologies emerging all the time. Make it a habit to stay updated on the latest trends, attend industry events, and never stop learning. And while the potential of AI is immense, it's crucial to use it responsibly and ethically. Chapter 6. Never stop learning. The world of AI is like a rocket ship. It's moving fast and constantly evolving. What works today might be outdated tomorrow, so commit to being a lifelong learner. Subscribe to industry newsletters, follow AI experts on social media, and never be afraid to dive into new research and advancements. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to adapt, innovate, and stay ahead of the curve. And remember, success with AI, like anything worthwhile, takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay persistent, keep experimenting, and never be afraid to learn from your mistakes. Outro: the future is now. So there you have it, guys. Realistic strategies to leverage the power of AI and boost your income. Whether you're investing in AI companies, building your own AI-powered solutions, or simply using AI tools to enhance your existing skills, the opportunities are out there. By embracing these strategies and staying informed about the evolving AI landscape, you can significantly increase your chances of financial success. Remember, the future is here, and it's powered by AI. The question is, are you ready to be a part of it?